Hi dear children, welcome to the fourth module of our chapter Some Natural Phenomena. I hope you all are fine and doing well. You may have seen news reports about the destructions caused by earthquake to life and property. Today we are going to learn about this natural phenomenon in detail. So let's start our topic. Children, first we will see what is an earthquake. Any sudden disturbance below the earth's surface may produce vibrations or tremors in the earth's crust. These vibrations or shakings are known as earthquakes. In other words, an earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. The enormous energy released by an earthquake travels through the ground in the form of waves. Some waves can make the ground ripple up and down, while others can shake it from side to side. Each type of wave travels through the earth at a different speed. The waves generated by an earthquake are called seismic waves. The science that deals with the seismic waves is called seismology, and earthquake scientists are called seismologists. Children, now we will see the causes of an earthquake. The planet Earth as a whole is called geosphere. The outer rocky part of the earth is called lithosphere or crust. The plants and animals live on this lithosphere, which together form the biosphere. The depressions in the crust are filled with vast oceans. The watery part is called hydrosphere. The earth crust is not one continuous piece. It is fragmented, and each fragment is called a plate. The earth crust is divided into about 20 parts called tectonic plates. These plates float over the hot magma below and are therefore in relative motion to each other. That is, they are in continual motion. When they brush past one another, or a plate goes under another due to collision, they cause disturbance in the earth's crust. This disturbance shows up as an earthquake on the surface of the earth. This movement of the plates only resulting in volcanic eruptions, mountain formations, etc. The Himalayas are believed to have been formed by the collision of two continental plates, the Eurasian plate and the Indian plate. Children, now we have seen that when the tectonic plates brush past one another or when they collide each other, it is resulting in earthquakes. Therefore, the boundaries of the earth plates are the weak zones where earthquakes are more likely to occur. These boundaries are known as seismic or fault zones. In India, Kashmir, Western and Central Himalaya, Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan, etc. are examples of fault zones. The point from which the earthquake waves originate is called the seismic focus. It lies within the crust of the earth. The point on the earth's surface vertically above the focus is called the epicenter of the earthquake. The intensity of the earthquake is greatest at the epicenter. You can see the details in the next video.
The Earth's crust is made up of unevenly shaped slabs of rocks called tectonic plates. The energy stored here causes the tectonic plates to move towards, away, or push against each other. With time, The stored energy and the movement of the tectonic plates build up enormous pressure within the region between the two plates. This intense pressure causes the fault line to give away and the plates move over, against, or apart from each other. The center point of this disturbance is called the focus. From the focus, waves of energy travel towards the Earth's surface, shaking the Earth from within. The point on the surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter. From the epicenter, the energy waves travel in different directions on the Earth's surface, causing vigorous movements on the surface of the Earth, known as an earthquake. A powerful earthquake can destroy an entire city within seconds. Sometimes, a series of tremors called foreshocks can be felt before the actual earthquake happens. Similarly, a series of tremors called aftershocks can be felt after the main shock of an earthquake. Foreshocks and aftershocks may be felt for days or months.
The instrument which detects and then records the intensity of seismic waves generated by an earthquake is called seismograph. It consists of a ball suspended with a string. This ball has a pen attached to it and the tip of the pen touches a sheet of paper placed on a fixed base. When the earth shakes, the fixed base also shakes and the suspended ball moves with respect to the fixed base. The pen tip records this movement on the sheet of paper. This is the output of the seismograph, and this recording is called seismogram. Children, the magnitude or intensity of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale, which is developed by Charles F. Richter, a US seismologist, in 1935. The Richter scale is not a linear scale. On this scale, the vibrations of an earthquake with a magnitude of 2 are 10 times greater in amplitude than those of an earthquake with a magnitude of 1. And the vibrations of an earthquake with a magnitude of 8 are 1 million times greater in amplitude than those of an earthquake with a magnitude of 2. So I hope it is clear. Children, please write these 2 points in your notebook. The first point is, the magnitude of an earthquake is measured on a Richter scale. Second one, the instrument which detects and then records the intensity of seismic waves generated by an earthquake is called seismograph. Thank you. Have a nice day.